If you're the guy who wants to get in shape today, this is for you. I know, but your brain keeps throwing out. I'll start Monday. No time. I have bad knees, or my fave. I'll just do some more research for programs in a few weeks instead. If that's you, stick around, because I'm going to give you a 3-step belief breaker you can run today. So you move now, and you stop just talking about it. I'm Mike. This is Fitman Method. Let's go. Here's the thing. You see, small, easy actions will beat big, perfect plans every single time. I know your inner critic is loud. It's dramatic, but I also know it's usually wrong. You see, when a thought pops into your skull, it's just a thought. It doesn't mean it's real. You see, when a belief pops into your head, I want you to yell it out and then type it into your notes app. It doesn't matter what it is. Let's say it's, I don't have time, or it's late, or the gym's intimidating, or my knees can't handle it. Again, you got to ask yourself, is this 100% true all the time? Let's look at things a bit differently and ask ourselves, what's the proof? You see, the reality is you did have 10 minutes. You did walk the dog, and stairs didn't explode your knees. So you have to ask yourself, what's the cost of keeping this story going? Now, this may sound harsh, my guy, but your health will get worse. You're going to stop trusting yourself, and you're going to have regrets. So I want you to reframe it into something testable. So instead of saying no time, you'll say, I have 10 minutes today, and I'm going to use them. Instead of saying I've been out too long, becomes I'm going to restart today with 10 minutes. Or let's say you're thinking the gym's intimidating. You could just say, I'll start at home and earn my way back in. Or let's say you're complaining about your knees. It just becomes, I'll do knee-friendly moves and build strength around them. You get the idea, right? It's in your head. Thoughts aren't facts, so test them. You see, most people don't realize beliefs lose power when you replace them with behaviors. So do the thing, change your belief. We're not chasing perfection. We're just stacking proof. So let's start with an easy win. So if it takes more than 10 minutes, it's going to be too big for today. So let's just pick one tiny action. Let's say you walk 10 minutes outside, or just do some laps around the hallway, or maybe just run a strength mini at home. You could do some chair sit to stands for some reps. You could do counter push-ups for 6 to 10 reps. You could do hip hinges for 10. You could do some suitcase carries for 30 seconds on each side, and then do 2 rounds. And that's 10 minutes. Or another simple one, why not set a nutrition anchor with a protein at breakfast? Eggs, Greek yogurt, or maybe a quick shake. Make an if-then backup so you can't talk yourself out of it. Let's just say it's raining. Then you could say, I'll walk 10 minutes inside. If it's 6 p.m. and you're toasted, then just say I'll do hallway laps for 2 minutes and 5 counter push-ups. If your knees start complaining, then switch to chair reps and carries. It's just one small rep, and it tells your brain, we're the guy who moves no matter what. And that's the identity we're building you. You see, we've poked holes in the old belief, and we're taking action. And now we want to lock it in. So don't be ashamed to talk to yourself. Tell yourself, that happens. Ask yourself, what did I learn? And what's the next tiny step I can take? Maybe do a 30-second visual. I want you to close your eyes and see the future you with laces tied, finishing the 10-minute walk, breathing calmer, and standing taller. I want you to feel that little hit of pride. And open your eyes and tell the present you, shoes on, out the door, 10 minutes. Make an evidence log in. And then open a note titled Wins. And then I want you to record today's proof. Walk 10, protein breakfast, strength many. If you miss a day, don't worry about it. It's cool. We'll start again tomorrow, no drama. See, we're protecting the identity, not perfection. You see, thoughts aren't facts, so reframe it into something you can test. Replace it with behavior. Use the 10-minute rule on tiny action and an if-then backup, and reinforce your new story. Use a coach's voice, a 30-second visual, and an evidence log. And the only thing that's going to be between you and a stronger body is a story you've been repeating. And the good news is you're the author. So write a better one today. Stay strong, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next one.